Great. Welcome, everybody. We are here today to talk about the Divi Supreme Pro scheduled element feature. And what a scheduled element is with the Divi Supreme Pro, you can create a situation in which anything on your website, a section, a row, a module, or a column, we don't use columns very often, but a column will happen in this one. You can have that turn on and turn off on your website automatically. So this is a way to automate your work, be able to have things happen when you maybe aren't around to make them happen, or if you need something, if you need to plan ahead in any way, shape, or form, this is going to help you on your website. The example we're going to use today is creating a scheduled section for a notification bar in a notification tool. We have been using the notification bar tool plugin, and it's a nice one. It creates a simple banner across the top of the website that is eye-catching, and you can do something like the library is closed today, closed for the holiday. But being able to schedule an entire section gives a much more variety, some opportunity for you to be more creative than just having a simple scroll bar at the top of your website. And you can use both. So this is really just a chance to be creative and to catch some attention on your website. So what we are going to walk through today is creating something that looks similar to this and then learning how to schedule it. So first thing that before we do anything else is that we need to make sure that you have the Divi Supreme Pro installed on your website and that you have the enable scheduled element turned on and your changes are saved. So when you come into your website, I'm going to come in here, I'm going to come to my dashboard and look down on the left side in the black bar. If you do not have the Divi Supreme Pro installed on your website yet, please send a ticket to website help@librarieswin.org. We will get that installed. And the other thing that you need to make sure of is that you have the license number. If you don't have the license activated, it will tell you. You will have a notification up at the top of your bar saying that your license key needs to be activated. And again, send a message to us. For some reason, some of the licenses, we've put them in and they just don't take the first time. So we've had to circle back on several websites. But if you do have the Divi Supreme Pro here and it is active and licensed, then you need to come in, and today we are going to be working with the enabled schedule element on section, row, columns, and modules, and you'll need to toggle that on to on and save changes. And while you're in here, if you're in here and you want to prepare for future use, you can also turn on the Divi pop-up. You can turn on the Divi read more content, but most importantly, you can also turn on this Divi custom attributes. This is the one that we need to use if we're going to make website accessibility changes, whether it's us at Lean, Wisconsin, or whether it's any of you guys. But basically the two that we definitely need turned on for today is enabled schedule element and custom attributes, and click the save changes to make sure those changes take. So we're going to work today on a page on, like I said, we're going to create this page. So I am going to go, actually, didn't mean to do that. I have a fake homepage. We were just discussing earlier the value of having a page on your website that you just play on and that isn't published, isn't linked anywhere. So in this case, I have made a copy of the homepage and I'm going to use home 1. And I am going to view this page. I'm not going to restore any edits right now. So I've made a copy of my homepage, and we do not have that, that section active in here, but I want to add a section in here that I am going to schedule an element for. So I'm going to begin with doing that. On the back end, this is what it looks like. I have my account button, my catalog button, and my hours button, which is account, catalog, hours right here. And then I have my latest posts. I am going to create a new section. It's just going to be a regular section. And I'm going to add a single width row. And then I am going to add a text box. And I have all of this outlined here in this training document. So I will make sure that you have a link to this. But this is, again, we are going to do step by step, where I've basically just done basic Divi, where I am adding a new section. There it is, a section, a row, and a text box. And for my purposes, because I want to know that this section is special, I'm going to name it. So this is the notification section, and this is the notification text. I am also going to go ahead and add a second text box because I want to be able to have 2 layers of text. I'm going to have, and I'll come back and fill in the text in a minute. This is notification additional text. You can name it whatever you want. Nobody sees any of the information that you put on the back here. So now I have my notification section, my notification text, and my additional notification text. Because if we look back at our example, we have this larger text here and a little bit of extra text down here. So that's basically what I'm going to do. Now this is where I get to have some fun with the design. And I'm going to set this up for some text to copy in. You can do this for holidays. You can do this for outages. And so we're just going to pretend today that that the library is going to be closed today and we need to create a notification. Okay. We close today, February 25th. And just making sure I don't have any. Oh, see, yep. I don't want any formatting in here. That's what happens when you actually, okay. The library will be closed today, February 20th, 2025. And I'm going to add some background color. You could also add a background gradient or background pictures. Again, this is where you get to be creative, but looking for visibility, we want high contrast and we want high visibility. And now I'm going to design my text. And sometimes this is easier to make sure things are showing up right if we use the desktop view for now. There. So you can see I've got my background started, but my text is very difficult to read. So I'm going to come into my text and I'm going to make the text color white. Maybe I am. Yes. And I'm going to make my text size like 46. And I actually want a different. I'm going to pick a different font. And I'm going to center it. Actually, the other choice is I can make my text color light instead of dealing with the text color up here. You can go with light versus dark. And I'm going to reduce the spacing between. You're not being very happy about that. Oh, I know what I did wrong. See, this is why I need to follow my step-by-steps. I need to find my section. There we go. I'm going to add the background to the entire section, not to, that's better. Okay, now we have our entire section. Now I can come into my text module. And I'm going to have text color white, which I know is oh no, that's right. I was going to choose light color. We'll just go with this. And then we need to type in our content. Today, February 20th, 2025. And this is where don't make any changes to your text style in this box. Make all of your changes in the design box, because this is where you actually have your control over all of your different styles without affecting heading structure or any of the other aspects of website accessibility. Center that. So the other thing I want to do here, I want to get rid of this extra space. That is one thing I do have control over. A lot of this is just learning, some practice with different styles. And in the instructions, I have these particular styles laid out, like which settings. If you want it to look just like this, then you can copy those settings from the documentation. But the settings I'm using, I happen to be using cabin font, regular. The text color doesn't matter because I'm going to use the light text color on a dark background, which is the background of the section. I'm using 46-point font, and I'm using 1.4 for the text line height and centered. I'm going to make one other change. I've decided in my case, I would prefer to have the text a little more centered in my work. Come on. Come back here. I want to move you to the middle section. So I'm going to add a different structure to the row. There. Now I still had down here another text box, which I think ended up over here. I'm going to go back and use my wireframe view again. Moving my additional text box over here. And in this one, I will say something like, due to a power outage, the library will be closed today. Please check back here for further updates. And again, I am not doing any formatting with my text in this space. I'm going to do all of that in here. And for this one, I don't want my text size to be quite as large as 46, but I want it a little bit larger. I am going to set my text color to light, and I'm going to center it. And let's take a look and see how this looks. Okay, so we have a basic notification section here that is readable. Maybe I'd even want to make this the font here a little bit bigger than 16. Maybe we can go up to 18. And the idea here is that you get something set up that is usable, that you can come back to time and time again. Because now that we have this section somewhere on our front page that we like, and we have saved our work, so we don't lose it. Now I'm going to do the more important thing. And I'm going to show you how to schedule the element. There. Okay, and remember I labeled my notification section so I would be able to make sure that I knew which one it was. So we have created a section that we want to have scheduled, and in this case, I am going to add the schedule to the entire section, because that means the row and the modules inside of it will appear and disappear off of your website when the entire section is set. If you scheduled elements on the notification text or any of these, only that would disappear and that blue box would continue to exist. So we don't want the entire blue box on our website. We still want, on a day-to-day basis, we want to have this be just plain white. But for those special occasions or outages or closures or holidays, this is when we want that to appear. So we are going to I'm going to back up, go to the gear icon next to the notification section and click on section settings, come up to advanced. And now what the scheduled element does is it adds a function to the visibility section. We've used this before to disable visibility on phone, tablet, or desktop, and maybe you've even done this for a notification. But what's nice here is when we turn on the scheduled element, at this point is we are going to be able to schedule the time for that to appear. There are two things to pay attention to here. What I usually start with for defaults is I turn it to yes, and then I immediately scroll all the way down, halfway down to use between date and time, and I turn that also to yes. So now I have a calendar that shows my start date and my end date. A word of warning, this calendar is set up to a European calendar. I don't know why, but this work week, and I haven't found a setting to change this. I don't know if I care why, but Sunday is the last day of the week and Monday is the first day of the week. So I usually my eye goes to this day as being Wednesday. This is actually Thursday. So right now it is saying that it would appear on February 20th, which is a Thursday, and the default time is midnight. So if you do not adjust the time, it will just automatically appear at midnight. You can adjust the time by dragging the slider, and this is again a 24-hour time clock. So as you go across, now we're getting to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. The 1, 2, or 3 is in the morning. So if we wanted this to appear at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you would be able to set it for that. Usually I just go with the midnights, but you might have a reason to have it appear at a time. And then let's say we know our outage is going to last through at least tomorrow. So we would have it disappear. And I am going to say I want it to come off automatically tomorrow at 5 p.m. because that's the closing time for the library. Again, I only put 20, you have to adjust this. This is really nice for a holiday schedule. If you know that you're going to be closed for, if you're going to be closed for the July 4th holiday, you can have it appear several days before, give warning, and then it'll end automatically at the end of the holiday. You have another option in here, and that's to use business hour and time. So if you only wanted it to be on your website during the hours that you are open, you can set both the time for it. You can set it to only appear on your website during business hours. You can't set the schedule for it, but you can set your business hours. A downside to this is that all of your business hours must be the same. So if you select a Saturday and you're only open till noon on Saturday, the hours still have to be the same for every day of the week that you use this. Perhaps in a future feature update, they would have it where you could customize the hours by the day. We're not going to use that right now. We're going to go ahead and use this piece of it. As I said, previewing it is not an option that's available. You have to set it, hit update, and then view the changes to your page. In this case, we should now see a notification bar appear because we set it to be active as of 2 p.m. on the 20th. And here we go. We have the library will be closed today due to a power outage on our website. If I come back in here and wait for it to load, wait for it to load, and I come back to my notification section and I reset the time. visibility. And I changed the visibility of this, and I don't want it to come on, let's say, until 4 o'clock. Update that. Wait for that to finish. And now the notification section is gone. But it should at some point be able to it should be able to adjust itself, and or it will adjust and it will appear on your website at the 4 o'clock time. So that's basically it for scheduling an element. The hardest thing with scheduling an element is probably navigating the calendar and making sure that you are setting it to a section or the module that you want to have it appear or disappear. The other piece is a reminder that this would be a notification the way we set it up today that would only appear on your home page. It won't appear on every page of your website. The notification bar is a tool that would appear across your website, but it, again, you may want to use them both. Or there are some ways we could do something on here where we actually created this row as a global row, or a global section, I should say. And if we turn this into a global section, it could appear across your website, but that's a little bit more of an advanced technique. And it may not be something that most people are comfortable with. But if you just want a notification on your homepage where most people are going to land and look, that is a very easy way to set up a holiday notification or a closure notification. Any questions on that? Or does anybody have any ideas on how they would use it other than a notification bar? No. And then there's a question about copying the homepage. I only copied the homepage today just so I would have something to play with, but I can do a demonstration. And what I would probably do is I would stop this recording and I can do a demonstration on how to copy a page, as we were talking about having something to play with. So if you want to talk that, we can do it. Kristen asks, can you add it to the header? I would be very hesitant about that. If you feel confident in playing in your header zone, you may be able to schedule an element in the header. I can actually, this is a really good place for me to practice and test. I have not tried putting it into a global header. If you have on your website under Divi and you have theme builder, if you have something that looks like this, global header and global footer, this is where you would be making that change. I'm going to test it on an unassigned one, even though what I love about this website is I really can try to break things. I'm just going to see if I can schedule an element in here. Our websites have been really slow and it seems to be taxing my computer on top of it today, so I apologize. Let me see if I can schedule an element visibility. Yes. So Kim, the answer is you could add it to the header if you are confident in doing that. And if you are, because remember that anytime you make a change to the global header or global footer, it automatically happens across your website. And the other downside to a header and footers is there's no great way to restore. So on a regular page, we can restore previous versions. I have made mistakes on headers and I have been regretful of that because you can't just Control Z or restore a header. So if you're going to be going in there and updating it on a regular basis to change for holidays or other things, the advantage is that, yes, it's going to appear across your website. just as anything in your header would. The downside to that is that you are going to be risking the chance that you make a mistake that actually deletes all of your menus, and we would have to rebuild your header. What I would do, maybe what one option for that would be to create an unassigned header where you copy what you want your header to be. And then when you have a copy of your header over here, you can play with the regular global header. And if something happens, we can restore it back from a copy. And that's a little more of an involved conversation. If you're confident in Divi in the sense of all you have to do in here is add a new template. You can build a new template, you can add from library and find your header. If you're comfortable with playing around with this, you're not going to affect anything on your website as long as you don't affect the default, don't change the default website template. And then ask us, as long as you've got a copy made in here and you're happy with it, but ask us if you want us to double check the work. Other questions? Can you preview the test header? What you see in that box when you come in here is what you get until you've applied it to a page. It won't show up anywhere live on your website. So if I come in here and you see the live preview, and also if you build a header, this is also a chance, if you want to be creative with building a new header, you can come in here and you can create a new template and you could design a new header for your website. No, this is not something we're expecting anybody to do. This is only if you really have fun. Yes, so Jasmine, you're getting to where I was going to go with this. As this loads, I apologize. I might get my new computer next week. That would be really nice. You see this one already has an alternate header because it's made up for mobile. This one has a header. This one is disabled on tablet and desktop, and it's only for the phone. So this is where you would put it in. This is the preview that you get. One trick that when you do build things in here is you do have the option to view the wireframe view and the desktop view and the tablet view, everything right in here. And you can see now the phone has popped in and this one is now grayed out because it is only for desktop and tablet. So that's how you can preview it here. If you wanted to preview it on a page, I'm going to discard my changes. You would create a template that you then apply to specific pages. And I'm just going to say build new template for a moment. Here, when it pops up, it would say what pages do you want it, and you would create a blank page for yourself. And then you could have it go to a specific page and you would pick that page. So if I wanted to practice with a header that only appeared on my alternate home page, I would click home-1, and then I would apply this new template to my new blank home page and create that template. Do you want me to demonstrate how to clone a page for creating a playground page? Okay. I am going to momentarily stop the recording, and I will do that as a separate recording. I'm going to stop this.